This is the garden, and this is a concrete pad. But we've got a permit, and we can get to building a greenhouse. The plan is greenhouse. So, let's get started. So before we can build, we need to clean and prep. So that needs to be cleaned, these plants need to go, these logs also need to go. And some of these are nice and light, and it's like, oh, no problem. And then, some of these are really freaking heavy. So, I'm gonna enlist the help of my dad. And then we've got our little beloved baby greenhouse, and it's gonna get relocated to the other end of the garden, because it still works. I just want a bigger one that's gonna go here. So, oh, we gotta get you an intro. This is my dad.
I am the dad. Where are we gonna put stuff?
Do these need sun? Oh, obviously. Oh, I pinched my fingers. No, wait, you take the other side. That's because look at all the spider webs.
Wanna come down my way this way?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I guess the first thing we do is get rid of that bench and the other bench.
Oh, strong leg pull.
I'll carry the heavy steel.
Okay. First try, look at that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And I scratched myself with the rooster beak, the nice rusty one.
Uh-huh.
You see that?
Yep.
You see it? Where's my helper?
Hiding.
Yeah.
It's way less work when I hide.
Oh, yeah. All right, go ahead. Give it a go. Holy
Strong now?
Hey, you didn't see all the bugs? There's a huge beetle.
I guess we'll change sides, won't we then?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, a lizard.
Bucket. Are we being filmed here? No.
Yep.
Where's the camera?
On the over there.
Ah, okay.
Should I rip up this entire garden bed here?
So all this gets ripped up and just go in the weeds.
Okay.
Or a random other bucket you find.
Okay. Holy moly.
Huh?
The straw can stay in the bed? Ah. I'm gonna take apart the greenhouse. Did we attach these together?
Don't think so.
Aha! We did attach them together.
This up?
Yep.
Take this in my hand. You're going first, right?
Yep. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Eek. I forgot to film the rest of it, but this is where the greenhouse ended up. Okay, so the pad is cleared, and now we gotta clean. Could you turn on the water now? I gotta scrub these. That looks bad. That did like nothing.
Cool. Don't worry about it then.
Okay. With the concrete pad prepped and cleared, we can go through the build of the greenhouse. So we're going to be starting about 1.10 meters out from this back wall and about 1 meter out from this side wall, which will give us a corner somewhere around here. From this corner, we're going to be about 2.80 meters wide and 4 meters long. On this surface here is the front surface, so this is where the door will be. And then on our left side, our height will be about 3 meters, and on the right side will be at about 260 or 270, and this will give us a single sloped roof. The whole structure will be built out of wood and then wrapped in a double-walled polycarbonate panel. And the million-dollar question right now is if the trim work should be green, since it's a greenhouse, or if it should be gray. So here are the options, and let me know. Today is wood delivery day. It's a windy day, and we got to get rid of this thing before the wood comes. Okay. Look at the cucumbers. Ow. Oh no, I've got like little thorns all over me. Do you?
No.
Look.
Yeah, they'll wash off. Ouch. So much for big talk. Oh, we need wire cutters to cut these.
We're still tied down here.
Loose though.
Oh!
Why did I get the hard one?
Wait, my arm. You know, like that like slow-mo movie thing where he does like a back bend because bullets are flying over him?
Yeah, in the Matrix?
Matrix, that's what it is. That's how I felt just now.
Yeah, that's how you looked.
You never stand like that. I can't even focus.
Now you clap like you always do. And let's get started.
Good morning. Today is the day for framing out the greenhouse. We got all our wood delivered yesterday, and we are ready to go today, theoretically, if the wind doesn't pick up. I've been told I have to pay my dues with a hammer. So no automatic nailer for us. Let's get started. These nails are heavy. Okay, starting with the back wall. Can I go too?
Did you
I didn't miss one time. Okay, so studs are in. We need to measure our height for our blocking. 61.5.
355. 355. That's how you get her done.
Oh, this is heavier than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, look at my hammer. Great. Right wall. Here we go. All right, blocking. Oy. Almost lost my pouch. So we've got 2 walls built. From here to here is our long wall that will be along this surface, and then behind it from there to there is our back wall. All right, time for the long wall on the left.
Whoa.
Hurry up and start unloading me. I'm gonna.
Oh, which way does it start with?
1. Oh, 8. Well, put left and right 8. Left and right 7.
Oh.
Left and right 6. Okay. 5's on your right. 5's on your right. 5's on your right.
Seriously, hold your arms up. How'd they bounce? 6.
You take too long.
5.
Oy, oy, oy. I will continue here. One. So you hit it 3 times and I hit it, what, 15, 16, 24? I'm gonna count how many times I've hit those 2 nails, only on this piece. But before I count, what's your guess?
15?
Oh, I'm thinking more like 36.
Per nail, 15.
So you think 30? Yeah. I'm thinking 36. All right. Holy moly macaroni. Okay. Off we go.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. And that is the end of the day. And at the end of the day, with 3 walls done, this is the scrap. Good morning, it's a new day. Yesterday we did 3 out of the 4 walls, and today is the day for the last wall, which is actually the front wall. Whoa! Ooh, it's sunny. Dang. So this wall's a little funky because there's a door that's going to be in the center here. Oh, I almost went flying.
Last 6 nails. 2 more. Done.
Well, we got to get the small piece, 94, and then 129, and then 163.
Done?
Nailing them in?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Stud wall.
Hey, look. It's like... Oh, wait, I think the door goes the other way, doesn't it?
No, still goes the other way.
Left-handed handle? Crazy. All right, let's have a chat, because I have a list. Over the last week, we prepped our concrete pad. We decluttered the area, cleaned the surface, and moved the mini greenhouse to another home. We then waited for our wood delivery and got straight to building our 4 stud walls. What you didn't see is that we also received our exhaust fan, our beeswax pistons, and our shipment of polycarbonate panels. What we're still waiting for is our paint and our tiles. So let's talk about what's next, which is basically everything else. First, we have to paint our stud walls either green or gray. We can then install our base plate using concrete anchors. With the base plate installed, we can finally get our walls upright and then move on to the roof. We've got our rafters to do and then have to wrap that in polycarbonate panel as well. Once the roof is on, we can move on to building and installing our windows as well as our exhaust fan. And then it's time for trim, flashing, and drip edges. Once the exterior of the greenhouse is done, we can finally move on to the interior where we're going to build out the inside to make sure it's conducive to good planting. Or whatever. So, just a couple more things left.